Hey guys, I recently went to the slaughterhouse to get the best cow meat for my customer. Can you imagine? I'm working very, very hard.
Yes,
Are you not seeing it? It's not easy to be a woman in this typical regime.
Okay, it's very easy to be a man like this.
On this all you carry to that place.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. It's your girl Ebys'Lady on the beat, and I'd like to welcome you back to another beautiful episode, guys. Happy New Year. Today we are going to the cow market, guys. Hey. So guys, today the fish left the WhatsApp group. We are going for the cow meat, guys, and this cow is going to be roasted. A client sent me an order and said, Ebys'Lady, this time I want cow, and we are going to the slaughter to get the cow because we are going to be buying in large quantity, guys. You know, I told you that I run my market errands. Anything you want, whether you want pork meat to be dried, you want goat meat to be dried, you want any type, dry fish, name it, and we are going to get it for you. And right now we are in the slaughter. As I called my customer, Mama, please, we need to go to the market and get this client the order because the client is not waiting. And this cow is going to be dried, you understand, and sent to anywhere in the world, but not Nigeria, definitely. So guys, let's go and get this item. So honestly, this is the first time I'm coming to this Warri Delta slaughterhouse. I used to be in Abuja slaughterhouse to get, you know, cow meat, but this one is different for me. And they measure in kilos, and their kilo is 2,800 per 1 kilo. And we are going to be buying about 70 kilo in this market. You understand? So let's go through it and get our item, guys. So buying a slaughterhouse, they will need to measure, you understand, the amount of meat that you want to buy. As for the cow meat, the beef is 2,008 and the cow head is measured for 3,000. I think it's 3,500 naira for 1 kg. So they are not on the same price. So right now we are about to measure. Okay. Will they look the meat? Don't be smart, you know.
It's 2,800. Now the share food, now the share food. Hello, do I not be called the cut out two pieces? Your own.
Okay, they go. You still use the weights. Do one for you. Okay. That's not the one when they never born. 29.
Okay.
So in case you want to buy a full cow is sold for 1.2 million or 1.5 depending on the size and the weight. Everything is all about weight. And the medium size is sold for 700, 800,000 naira. So in case you are looking to buy your own cow, send me a message so that we can go ahead and do this business. If you want it to be dried for you, I am going to dry it for you, and we do the measurement and, you know, dry it very, very well for you for your trip and any other thing. So in case you need cow meat, in large quantity, you need to come to the slaughter. I think it will be more cheaper to buy it here because it's 2,800 naira. So I was able to buy the 70 kg, which was sold for 196,000 naira. And to debone the meat, we pay 3,000 naira for the guy to, debone the meat. So right now we are deboning the meat, removing the bone so that it will be only flesh. You understand? So that it will be easier to, dry. That's what we are doing. So I paid the guy 3,000 naira to do the deboning. I see liver.
To buy liver.
No, liver there. Oh no, let's go just buy my personal house. I think why it's good to come to slaughterhouse because it's cheaper as well, and especially for those that want to buy in large quantity, you get more fresher meat here. You understand? See the cow legs, and you can buy cow leg here like 15 to 16,000, 13,000, depending on the size. One thing about meat, everything is all about size. The size speaks for the amount that you are going to be buying the meat.
My John come out, now they shout hey, but they cut out me and they shout hey. I'm waiting that they do for inside, not mean they cut for inside. If I dey talk for this table, say I dey work, I don't talk to you. I mean they talk to like that.
Your power won't see on this one.
No, I did not for every. Not for every. Come on, go through it for yourself. Let me raise collars. Now collars you go raise.
Yes, I'm working very, very hard.
Yes,
I
sir.
don't see you.
Look at collars.
It's not easy to be a woman in this terrible regime.
Okay, it's very easy to be a man like this.
On this oh, he carries it like this.
Next time, they won't come out and say, a man.
Madam, for this body that you carry.
No, you go work together.
Let's go. Drop her near that man. I know you're wrong. Come on, Musa.
So right now I'm through with the cow meat and we got a better deal, and my clients still need goat meat, and I'm still going to get some goat meat to add this particular order before we head to dry the meat. Man, no, I don't want woman. Say you know how to. If they get people. Well done.
Okay, 10,000.
When they block us now,
Yeah, don't come at the door.
this one na woman be this na way man.
I
Eh?
need to go down.
This one na wetin?
That one, that man, because they don't come at the door.
I go take no na, mama. Don't say man.
This one now.
You say na mama. I dey ask where is the block us?
They don't come at the door.
They no dey comot the block. You go dey see the one. You go dey see am. You go dey see the one. This one. I was sourcing for this meat. I told them I need a male goat. I don't want female goat because female goat are hard to be done. You can cook female goat for 3 hours and 5 hours, especially if you're unlucky and they give you the one that is very, very, that has born children for a long time. It's very, very hard to done. So I was requesting for male goat because male goat is sweeter, honestly, and it's very, very soft to done. Once you put it in the pot, before you know it is done. The woman own, especially if you're unlucky and buy the one that has been giving birth, guys, you feed they cook meat for almost 5 hours and the meat will not get done. So I requested, even if the meat get done, the skin is not going to get done. So I want a soft meat for my clients. Hi. Mama, wait till they talk. This one's too strong. See, now for dry, you know. And we finally got this particular one for 35,000 naira. It's like a full goat, but it's a smaller male goat. And I still prefer it to those big women's goats that might not be done. So we paid 35,000 naira for this particular one. I hope it's nice, guys. Do you like it? Is it cheap or expensive? Let me know in the comment section, guys.
Okay. I want back. Like, eh? Who get it? This bitch wey no go see. Na because say I notice say no, you know say na drying I wan do am. Leave am like that. Oh no, bring your own. You get POS. This one na how much?
You go buy this car. I get this car and see how much.
No, I don't dey buy again. I just want no price. Okay, okay, that's 5,000. Okay, almost the same thing. But if like say for Warri here, I notice say una too dey sell woman.
The woman again native but what get oil. Get oil well. What put out the
So like this one, the full goat.
The food go even up complete food. I was selling like 90, 95.
Okay.
You will lose destiny. When you follow God,
I
you will
know.
fulfill destiny. Do you hear what I said? When you
Chai, you dey sell one? Female will collect and sharp. What's it talk?
I just the seller.
Take am 1.5.
Huh? You want my do it and 1.5?
No, I like this one.
Where did that say? 2.5.
I go come back to the market. Then may I buy one like
This
this?
one I just me say I want to sell that for. Yeah, I'm 3,000. You tell me. Me say if I buy 1.5.
Take. You don't go. Now I give you 2,000. They go. You don't go work.
So I decided to buy that piece of yam and it was sold for 2,000 naira. And we're going back to the slaughterhouse through this yam market, you understand, to get our things together. And Mama is still not yet with her own goods because she sells meat. That is her business. She's into meat business, guys. And this is Warri Road. It's a popular road in Delta State, especially in Warri. Let me put it like that. Along this line, you will see several markets. You will see yam market, you will see cow market, you will see goat meat market, and all of that. You understand? Anything that you want along this Warri market road, you will find it.
Sugar cane.
So Mama will be arranging her own meat for the sales today, for her sales today, and after that we'll be going home and I'm going to where we are going to be drying the cow meat. My customer is going to be well dried.
It's good. Accountability. So that your money no go short.
We have that good mass, I will sell now.
Okay.
Let me see.
This one how many now?
It costs 3.
So, Okay. So you carry everything for hand, for head. You don't get pen.
They carry am.
Okay. As a sharp woman.
And the meat, this I know all of them.
Okay. And your business now. So definitely you go know 'em.
Austin. Austin. Austin.
Okay. Okay, no, come carry 'em.
This thing I
Okay.
all this
Okay. I don't come back. We want dry them now. So the woman never talk how much when you want to take dry them. So we go wash the meat now. Now all the meat with this. Yes, now one person get them. So now the meat, now be this. I don't buy them. So we want to dry right now. So this one are the goat meat. So we want to count. You understand? Now be this one. You see 'em?